Do you know the beauty of acupuncture and Chinese herbal medicine? Do you know what acupuncture and Chinese herbal medicine can do for you?
Hi, my name is Jing Fang. I practice acupuncture and Chinese herbal medicine with my husband Jiang Qiang in Ithaca, Vestal, and the Fairport area. I remember I came to this country in 1987. I had to talk to the people about acupuncture and Chinese herbal medicine. At least more than 99% of people, they don't know anything about acupuncture or Chinese herbal medicine. And right now, I think that the number has totally changed.
I first came to Jin's office because my daughter, who was 16 at the time, was very, very ill. And we had gone to about 8 months of physical therapy and visits to different doctors, orthopedists, cortisone injections, rheumatologists who did not know what to do for her. They took the spinal tap too soon to know if it was meningitis. But they never really did diagnose what it was, and they tried all sorts of different options to treat it to no avail. And we were very frustrated and a bit frightened, especially when she lost the ability to use her left hand and her range of motion was limited to just about what I'm doing now. Went to visit Jim and met with her husband, who treated my daughter. And within 2 sessions, she had mobility back in her hands. And John knew that it was a nerve problem, and he treated her for that. And then in 5 sessions, she did not need to even see him anymore because she was all better. And for a parent who watched a child not even able to walk in a hospital for a week, and then went traveling with her to all sorts of doctors to no avail, this was, to me, almost miraculous and raised my level of belief in acupuncture and Chinese medicine, because John also gave her herbs as well. And it was such a breath of fresh air to see her back to herself again. From that experience, while I was waiting for my daughter Raquel to have her acupuncture treatments, and I was sitting in the office and came to talk to her and find out so much about her treatment and her way of addressing issues, that she and I became friends. And then I had a seminar for my friends to be exposed to Jin's specialties. The one treatment, I found it was very relaxing, and more importantly than that, I felt really well when I was done. How did you develop happy mood?
When I just started practice Chinese herbal medicine and acupuncture in 1991, and I met many Cornell and Ithaca College students, and they suffered depression, anxiety, insomnia, ADD, ADHD. So I thought that maybe I can do something to help them. So I did, and I made that ingredients, put all the ingredients together, and so have them bring home to cook it and drink it that time. And over the 10 years, and slowly but surely, I developed, become a capsule formula.
What in Chinese medicine led you to come up with this particular formula?
Lots of ingredients. It help the heart to tonify the heart, the energy, okay, and the kidney and liver, okay. So that's why that herb has that function to help people to stay focused, very clear mind, and also remember things a lot. Ithaca, Cornell, okay, and Ithaca College. This is a college town. So like an exam, right before exam, you cannot sleep well, and you take 3 capsules and you can sleep and you remember things, you can recall information next day.
How did you figure out this combination of herbs to do so much for so many people?
Well, that's what we learned from the Chinese medical school. It's based on Chinese theory. Okay, if you cannot sleep well, you cannot remember things, you feel tired, cannot focus, that's many things to do with liver, heart, and kidney. If we can strengthen the organs, the energy level, and that you will feel the difference. And so based on that, I have to pick that many herbs are related with these 3 areas, the heart, liver, and kidney, to help the strength tonify the energy level. so that worked together. It's a combination of herb. It's not just one single herb. And then balance to each other, so they have a balance. So that's why you don't see there's any side effects when you take the herb. It's not like some other drug. And I also have a high school students to take before take exam, or they want to bring their score high, so they take the Happy Mood.
How did your interest in medicine start?
Okay, when I was a little girl in China, and I always helped my parents to do some herbal medicine or some even tinctures because they are Western pharmacists. They always make Western medicine. But that time was just think about help parents. And then I grow older because they work at the hospital all their lifetime. So I saw many patients need help. And so then I love the medicine, not just to help the parents, but think that someday I'll go to medical school and learn the medicine and help people.
So you've been involved in medicine your whole life?
Yes, not only my life, but my family, my relatives.
I came to Jin by referral from a pharmacist, and I was suffering from lack of energy, extreme fatigue, mood swings. After starting the acupuncture treatments and in conjunction with the herbs, I instantly noticed a change. I had more energy. I was up at 6 o'clock in the morning, and I've been working out. And my husband noticed such a change in me that he asked if he could go on the Happy Mood also. Dr. Jin Fang and Happy Mood have changed both my husband and I's lives in a very positive way.
When I officially started practice acupuncture and Chinese herbal medicine in 1991, I saw Cornell and Ithaca college students who suffered depression, anxiety, insomnia, ADD, and ADHD, and I think that time I thought I could do something for them. Happy Mood is made from 15 Chinese herb ingredients. The most important characteristics of this formula are that there are no known side effects, no lifetime dependency. The herbal formula fortify and replenish the heart, liver, and the kidney energy so that they can function together. This is why the same herbal formula used in different dosage at different times can be used to treat a wide variety of related problems. We use Happy Mood to help quit smoking as well. So it is very versatile.
To help people understand, what is the biggest difference between Eastern medicine and Western medicine?
Western medicine is about 200 years old. Chinese medicine is more than 4,000 or 5,000 years old. And so it's time tested over and over again by real human, not
4,000 or
by
5,000 years
ago.
We don't know why your medicines work, but yet they do.
Yes, so that is why we need more education to the ordinary people, and especially internet will help people a lot. In this country, a lot of people, they do know acupuncture and herb, but they always think about, acupuncture is for quit smoking. But I try to tell people not only just that. Acupuncture can do a lot of acute things, like acute back pain, like what you had. And lots of acute things. It suddenly happened. There's not really life-threatening, and just something to do with the pain, and you should